Everything we know about death could be completely wrong. I used to think death was this terrifying void of nothingness, just lights out forever. But then I started really diving into near-death experiences and consciousness research, and wow, what an eye-opener. Scientists at major universities are finding wild evidence that consciousness might continue after clinical death. There are thousands of documented cases where people who were technically dead could describe exactly what happened in the operating room, from conversations between doctors to objects they couldn't possibly have seen. We're basically living in a simulation anyway, if you think about it. Our brains are just interpreting electrical signals and creating this reality we think is so solid. But quantum physics shows us that solid matter is mostly empty space, and particles can exist in multiple places at once. What if death is just a transition? Like how a caterpillar has no idea it's going to become a butterfly. It just builds its cocoon, thinking it's the end, but it's really just the beginning of something completely different. The craziest part is how universal these experiences are across cultures and throughout history. People who've never met describe the same tunnels of light, the same feeling of peace, the same sense of understanding everything at once. When you really break it down, we're all just energy, and energy can't be destroyed, it can only change form. Maybe that's what consciousness does too. Maybe we're all just temporary patterns in an infinite cosmic dance. The universe is so much stranger and more beautiful than we imagine. Death might not be an ending at all. It could be just another beginning we can't comprehend yet, like trying to explain color to someone who's never seen. I don't fear death anymore. I'm curious about it. Because whatever happens, it's going to be the greatest adventure of all. And that's what life is really about. Embracing the mystery, staying curious, and being open to possibilities beyond our current understanding. Think about that next time you're lying awake at night worrying about mortality. Maybe we've been afraid of the wrong thing this whole time. Maybe death is just life's way of evolving into something even more incredible.